Hi all, this is Joseph from Magic Touch. It's that time of year, my favorite time of year, Halloween. So today we're going to show you the vast versatility of the Magic Touch paper. We're going to show you 3 brands of paper that we offer, the Tattoo, the T1, and the Water Slide Decal, and show you how personalization you can do on weird items and things like that. That way you don't have to go to the store, you can personalize your own token items. So first and foremost, what I'm going to show you is the Water Slide Decal. Today we're actually going to decorate just a normal pumpkin that we bought from Jewel, Dollar Store, Walmart, anywhere you want. We print it on the Water Slide Decal. We contour cut it using our plotter or cutter. If you have a silhouette, that's even perfect as well. Next, I'm just going to trim so it can fit in my bucket of water with some scissors. There's no need to be perfect because you already cut it with your cutter. And then I've already decorated my bin here for candy for kids, but I will also put warm water in it. I'm going to dunk in my Water Slide Decal inside the warm water and wait about a minute or two. And that time I'm going to show you another way of personalizing cute little token items that you can give away for trick-or-treaters. And that is temporary tattoos. Just tattoo yourself up and go out when trick-or-treating. So, temporary tattoo is simple. There's an adhesive. You take it off the adhesive. You put it down. Next, you put the tattoo paper on the adhesive, grab a squeegee, and just squeegee out any of the air bubbles. So, next, all you would have to do is take a pair of scissors, cut around the image, and now you have a cute little personalization gift that you can give away for trick-or-treaters or just put them on yourself. Tattoo is a very simple thing to do. There's an adhesive. Take it off the adhesive. Put it on your arm. That same bucket I put my Water Slide Decal in, I'm just going to wet it, just like the old school tattoos. And then after a while, the tattoo will just slip off. And now you have a personalization, cute little idea that you can give to your customers. Cute, simple, and easy. But one of my favorite ideas is decorating Halloween bags. The personalization aspect of it is amazing. So we have our normal Halloween bag that I just bought off Amazon, 10 for $4. Next, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the T1 paper. Now the T1 is a one-step self-weeding, self-cutting transfer paper. Now it's intended for light and medium colored garments, but if you're doing a foil on top of it, you can press onto any material, any color. Think about it. The days of weeding and cutting are over. So with the T1, you always want to print in black toner because you're going to put a foil, any color foil on top of it. And with foil, there's over 500 endless possibilities of colors you can choose from. So here I did a trick or treat with my daughter's name, Emma, on it. Now I have my heat press set at 300 degrees. I'm going to pre-press it for a second or two just to get the area nice and flat. Next, I'm going to put the transfer down and I'm going to press it at 300 degrees for 5 seconds. After the 5 seconds are up, I'm going to take it, fan it for about a second, and peel it hot. So the 5 seconds are up. I'm going to take it off, just fan it for about a second or two, and then peel it right off. As you can see, all the toner is off the paper and adhered to the bag. Now watch this. Something like that would take you roughly 15-20 minutes to weed. But we have our foil here, any color foil. Put it on top. Foil is always going to be facing you, color always facing up. Put it back down on my heat press. I'm going to press it again for another 300 degrees for 5 seconds. I'm going to make sure it cools off. Okay? So the 5 seconds are up. I take my little trick-or-treat bag that I made for my daughter and I'm going to cool it off a little bit. Next, what you want to do when it's cooled off, just put it back down in a nice flat area and then voila. One step self-weeding, self-cutting foil. Look how great that looks. My daughter has a personalized trick-or-treat bag now. Now, back to my favorite here, Water Slide Decal. The water's already inside there, as you can see. We did the cut lines. The image actually just slides right off the paper. I have my nice little logo here. I put it on my pumpkin, and there you have it. Now what's great about this is you can wait roughly about 24 hours for it to adhere. If not, grab a squeegee and just squeegee everything out. That way everything adheres to the substrate. You want to make sure that you can let it sit for a minimum of 24 hours. And there you have it. Now you have the chance to personalize your own pumpkins with the water slide decal. There you have it, guys. With the versatility of the Magic Touch line, with the temporary tattoo, the beautiful water slide decal, and the amazing T1 paper, now you have a chance of personalizing your own little Halloween token gifts. Thank you so much. Any questions you have, please visit us at www.TheMagicTouchUSA.com, and happy Halloween. Thanks, guys.